This is the beautiful small waterfall called Mac Pools. It's 15 kilometers away from the small town called Sabie in the province of Mpumalanga in South Africa, and 18 kilometers to the beautiful town called Graskop. The entrance fee is 30 rands per person. There's no card processing machines, so you need cash to enter. So now we are at Garden. Why I keep on forgetting this name? What's the name?
Garden Shed.
Garden Shed. It's a beautiful restaurant. This is where we're ending our night. We started from Hazy View, traveled to Sabie, and wanted to check out this waterfall called Mac Pools. Man, it's beautiful. I ended up jumping in the water because I had to do it for the video. It looks so beautiful. Next time you come to Mpumalanga, you definitely need to check this place out. Cassie didn't jump in the water. You know, he's scared of water. So before I jumped in, I made sure that we got the nice views and stuff like that. But after that, we decided to just travel to Graskop, which is where we are right now, to end our day with checking this beautiful hidden gem. Like we want to go for places that are, we're not going to go for franchises. We're going to go for places that are unknown around South Africa. We're starting in Mpumalanga. This is where we're from. So when I start from Mpumalanga and then just see different places around, and hopefully we're going to end up in Cape Town. But we're starting from here, man, and this is our first video. This is Traveling Vibes. So far, it's me, your host, Unique Shabangu, with Cassie. You know, we interchange. He's behind the camera right now, you know? So yeah, we're doing the vibes. I'm about to eat because the food is ready, and I'm out here doing videos, you know? So yeah, see you next time. It's a pleasure.